Introduction to Essential Docker Commands.
Docker is a powerful tool for developing, shipping, and running applications inside containers. For developers new to containerization, mastering a few basic commands can make working with Docker smooth and efficient. Let's explore the top 5 Docker commands every developer should know to boost productivity and kickstart their container journey.
Docker run.
The Docker run command is used to create and start a new container from a specified image. For example, running Docker run hello world will launch the image and display a welcome message. This command is fundamental for testing images and running applications in isolated environments.
Docker PS.
The Docker PS command lists all running containers on your system. With Docker PS, you can view important information like container IDs, image names, and status. Adding the -A flag shows both running and stopped containers, making it easier to manage your container landscape.
Docker stop.
To terminate a running container, use the Docker stop command, followed by the container's name or ID. For example, Docker stop my container halts the specified container safely. This command is essential for managing container lifecycle and conserving system resources.
Docker RM.
The Docker RM command removes stopped containers from your system. Once you've finished with a container, Docker RM container name deletes it, keeping your environment clean. If you want to remove multiple containers, list their names or IDs separated by spaces.
Docker images.
Use the Docker images command to list all downloaded images on your machine. This helps you see which images are available for creating new containers. Managing images with this command ensures you always know what's installed and can keep your Docker environment organized.
Closing thoughts.
Mastering these Docker commands, run, PS, stop, RM, and images lays a strong foundation for any developer entering the world of containerization. With these basics, you'll be able to build, manage, and experiment with containers more confidently. Happy coding!